Today, I'll show you how to get this always on display while charging your phone on the TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, this is a simple feature that you need to toggle on this device. And when you go to settings on your TECNO device, simply scroll down and select wallpapers and personalization. Then select always on display. Now, under always on display, you should see this option labeled landscape display. And this option on a horizontal display, connect your phone to a charger to keep the always on display displayed. So once you tap on it, you can toggle on this button to be able to select it and use it. So from these options, you can select either the clock widget, which you can customize to set it however you want it to look, like that. Then tap on apply. Or you can simply select the photos option and tap on add to add from photos in your album to get them as the display once the phone is charging. So select the option you want, and once you do that, once you connect your charger like that and place it horizontal and your screen locks, you should get the landscape display or the always on display while your phone is charging. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.